Cool. I can't wait to see it lit up.
It's great.
They all look so much better at dark, lit up.
This is hotter than this. I think you made it worse. Dude, this is hotter now. You made it worse. I think you're making it worse, man. Well, we woke up today, put on some signs. So woke up today, we put on some signs. We finished cleaning up the electrical wires. This is our last piece right here that we're doing. So woke up today, put on some signs. Then we installed some of our dashboard stuff here. The electrician actually made this happen yesterday, and so we just put this on here. We've been cleaning up the wires so the wires aren't just laying around.
What'd the electrician do?
So we got the electrician to put relays into the engine harness, because honestly, we had a fan that's just burning up switches just over and over again. And so once we put these relays in there, we're able to control our current a little bit better. And yeah, I mean, it's gonna be set and done. We actually had this undo itself like 5 times. So.
Had it undo it? So, oh, you're talking about the wire?
Yeah, the wiring came undone a couple of times because it got so hot that it just melted.
Show them our favorite sign.
Oh yeah, we found this sign in our stack. Yeah.
This is gonna be the only sign that is displayed, you know, because oh yeah, daddy.
Right, I hear some fiddles.
I hear some fiddles in the background. I'm getting so sunburnt right now.
All right.
You good?
Cool. Does your headsets work?
Yeah. You want to try them out?
Nah, hell, I'm all sweaty.
Look at that.
Yeah. It's cool.
And then we have this, which I forget what you call these, but I guess it gives you your pitch.
Yeah, it's a horizon.
Horizon.
Yeah. Or something.
I got those kind of chairs.
Yeah. That's all right. Yeah. Oh, you can see good off of it too.
Mm-hmm. Especially if you're
That's what I
standing.
like. Yeah. I do like good stuff. Yeah. Hell, you done a good job.
Thanks.
I'm proud.
Thanks.
I like your deck. It's still steady enough. Yeah, hell yeah.
Badass, man. Well, you're
That's
definitely on the maiden
badass.
voyage. I'm glad you're burning now.
You damn
Just
right.
in time.
Thanks, man. Easy to get on too. I like that. It'll be mostly dark anyway. It'll be cool.
Yeah.
But I do like it. I don't know about getting my heavy ass bike up there. Hell, man. Yeah. Gainesville, Florida.
All of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, out of auctions.
Oh, wow. That's cool. I can't wait to see it lit up.
It's great.
They all look so much better at dark, lit up.
Sounds really good.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, that Mandalorian sound.
You got a flat screen in there.
Yeah.
Display a jet booster.
Display what?
Jet booster.
It looks like the inside of a jet engine.
That's cool.
The best one. The better, the more simple the TV, the better, we figured out.
Yeah. And like that, that's just little pieces, but it looks so good screwed on there.
Yeah.
It's just junk.
Yeah, there's junk. Looks like it does something kind of. Well, before we kind of fed it into that hole.
Yeah.
But we like to show the.
Well, we put it in here before, right?
Right.
Or something.
lighting that we're happy with. This is the BTF stuff.
Yeah.
And so this is the more fancy individual ones.
Right.
Just kind of like an accent, you know?
But it's not.
So, I'm gonna put that here too.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. If it looks like it came in and out.
Yeah.
That's next. Maybe
next year. There's always next year.
At this point, we were trying to get basically done what we could have already done at the last burn. Just try to get back to where we were.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like at least there.
And I mean, you come to the main event, you get your art card stuff and all that, and then next year you'll build it bigger.
Yeah. And
Once you get your first approval.
I mean, look at all this we have. Actually, brought. Just change the decorations on the side a little bit. You know?
Yeah.
Dad, come on over.
You gotta get somebody to get these bikes. Right now.
Dad, we got bikes. Come on. Come over.
You wanna unload on this bike?
No, come over.
Fucking running everywhere. So they never change.
Yeah, he's not stopped yet, man. He's been, ever since we've seen him, he's just been hitting the ground running and just running and running and running. And ever since that rain, it set y'all back by, I mean, how many days?
3
days.
3 days we lost for that.
Was it raining solid for how long?
It rained solid one whole night. And then every day, all 3 days, it rained for like 2 hours every day. Yeah, usually at night.
So it just couldn't dry out. It just kept raining.
Couldn't get dried out. Yeah.
Let me get your reaction.
Oh, you shined it. Nice. Let's get these bikes, you know.
Hey, come up on top. I want to get your reaction, dude.
Gotta get these bikes off now.
Okay. Until I come up with something else.
I want to get your reaction of this thing.
It's fucking amazing.
I want to walk. You ever seen our car with better stairs than that?
Nope. Fucking badass. It's not even get hot.
Not that bad, right?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Can you see pretty good?
You gotta sit down though, hopefully.
Stand.
What?
You like our communication devices?
Very. Can't wait to hear 'em.
And our horizon level, just in case you start to get too high. Craftsman lights. Bike rack.
Hold on.
Sick. You look like a genius.
How about that?
I didn't say you were.
Fuck, she ain't.
Dude, it's pretty cool, man.
Make it all fit.
I'd say it's closer to magic what you do around here. If you know what I mean. What's up?
Is that the law?
That's the law.
Last year I said it was the Greywater police and she got all offended at me. She said she wasn't the police, she was just saving the world.
1 gallon of gray water at a time.
What's that one?
Hell yeah. Exactly. That. We have the VIP seating and the low life seating.
That's right, you got 2 classes.
I love it.
Got first class and second class.
Yeah. And then, the lackeys down below.
Yeah, and then storage down here for instruments down below.
Perfect.
And then we got the horizon just in case you get too high. What's
Which
up?
happens. We don't want to burn up on the first outing.
Yeah, we're trying to make it work right.
Yeah.
I'm excited for it.
Cool.
Yeah, no, it'd be fucking sick.
Where's the zip ties, Steve?
Yeah.
Here's one.
Very cool. Glad it all made it here. Everything's fucking. Oh yeah. That's